our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Nick Wilde from Zootopia, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started by splitting our paper in half. We're going to move over to the left, drawing in a nice big circle for that left eye. We're going to leave a gap in the middle for the nose, stepping over on the right, replicating that. Now we're going to draw in another circle on the top. So on the top left for that highlight, let's draw in our circle. We'll do this on both eyes. And then coming down on a diagonal, we'll replicate this one, just making this one smaller. Now let's color in our eyes black. Let's move into the middle now and draw on the nose. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, right on the top. We're going to close this off on the bottom with an arch line, pulling this around and through on the side. Let's draw on the nostrils, curving this up and over on the left and right hand side. And then we're just going to color them in black. Now in the middle for the mouth, let's pull our line straight down. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line across towards the right. Let's add in a corner bracket on both sides. Let's move up and draw on the eyebrow. So from the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the inside corner, we're going to bring this line up, around, and then down on a diagonal. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side as well. Now let's draw on the shape of the head. So up above, right in the middle, let's draw on a curved line. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to draw on a break for the ear. And we're going to curve this out, in, and over in the corner. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Let's close this off on the bottom. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw on a curved line, pulling it through towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well, blending that in. Now to the left of this, we're going to curve this line out and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Again, we're going to curve this down and then back through. And then underneath, we're just going to curve this line back down towards the bottom. Now let's draw in the ear. So we're going to leave a small gap from that line, and we're going to curve this line up and over. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then now from that point on the top, we're going to curve this back down towards the top of the head. Now moving in, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back in. Again, we're going to curve this line out and then back in from that point towards that bottom line, adding in that small tuft of hair in the ear. And then now let's close off the ear. So on the top, we're just going to curve this around and down on the side. Now let's come in. We're going to draw in the collar. So we're going to draw in two small diagonal lines, pulling those in. And then from there, we're going to bring those diagonal lines across. We're going to curve these around and in towards the chin to close off the collar. Let's straighten out the tie in the middle. So we're going to draw in a flat line across. And then we'll draw two diagonal lines coming in towards the middle. Let's flatten that out again. And then we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines for the pattern of the tie. Let's move underneath again. So we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then we're going to draw these lines coming in on a diagonal towards the center. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines joining together at a point in the middle. And now as we come up, we're just going to again draw some diagonal lines, drawing in that pattern, leaving an even amount of space as we move down our tie. Now let's draw on the shirt. So from the tie here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line on both sides. Now let's curve this line up on the left and right hand side. From that point, we're going to curve this line up and in towards the collar. Now let's draw in the pocket. We're going to draw in a straight line on the right. We'll draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the bottom. And then from here, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line joining at the center at a point. Now for the sleeves on the arm, we're going to curve this line out. Now from here, let's curve this line in towards the shirt. Now we're going to bend the arm. So we're going to bring this line out and then back in. Now let's draw in the leg. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line. On the inside, let's arch those lines down. Up above for the pants, we're just going to curve this line over. And then from that corner, just curving this line up towards the shirt. Let's close off the foot. So we're going to bring this line out towards the side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this around and then back in. And then now for the toes, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines. Lastly, let's draw in the tail. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. From that point, we're going to tuck this back in. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out, tucking that down, pulling that back up. And then we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way across our tail. Bring that out. And that is it. That's how you draw Nick Wilde from Zootopia. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.